Hey everyone out there, welcome to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And today we're giving a huge shout out to our friends over in Dubai who understand the value proposition, and there's money even in shit and trash, right? What do I mean? I mean that over in Dubai they have a large landfill. As we all know, Dubai has been crushing it with real estate development and kind of like being the forefront of like a lot of tech, a lot of financial investments, and the whole world is kind of watching Dubai as this big experiment in the 21st century here, what's going on and how far we can push like building construction technology and everything else. With that, obviously, the United Emirates, they're very natural gas and oil fixed over there because they have those assets readily available. What they're also doing is a intense amount of solar over there. So they're going to take their landfill and they're going to cap it. And this is what's known as a brownfield. So if you live here in the States, this is becoming a more increasingly popular thing as well. Your town or city may have a municipality, whatever, may have its own dump facilities, its own transfer station. What they'll do is they'll, in a very environmentally friendly way, they'll cap that and basically cover it, and then they'll vent it, right, so it can outgas. But what they'll do is they'll take that new space, because you can't build anything on it, it's not permanently there forever, but it's going to be there for a couple of decades. What you're able to do while it all decomposes is utilize that space and fill it with solar panels. So we have quite a few of those across the States. It's a great idea. And it looks like now that over in Dubai, in the UAE, they're going to do it too. So cheers to those over there that have really just kind of been innovating. It's clear that if you look at Dubai on a map, the size it's grown, and if you look at the construction, and if you look at kind of how the architecture over there, they really are pushing the envelope. And it's nice to see that they're still on the what used to be cutting edge tech now is kind of going back to a norm. They haven't got too big to kind of keep it all even on the humble side, which is a brownfield. So it's good to see. From all of us here at Solar Wolf Energy and Solar TV, thanks for watching another episode here of Uncensored Solar TV. And again, I want to thank my staff, my team here behind me. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.